Happy graduation na. Ayan. Happy graduation. Ito na kami sa school nila. K-12 graduation. Dalawang anak ko. Yung lalaki. Happy graduation na niya. Happy graduation. Happy graduation nila, guys. Ayan, happy graduation anak. Pagpatuloy mo lang yan. Ayan, happy graduation.
Ay, cable ko.
Happy graduation anak ko. Ayan, with honor yan. May medal. And dalawang kiddos ko. Ayan, happy together. Tatlo lang kami guys. Happy graduation na.